Sloss furnace behind me, one of the most haunted places in Birmingham. And I'm gonna do a walkthrough real quick. There's where somebody fell to their death. And there's some more stuff right here. This is outside. On the other side here, there's the Sloss logo, the water tower, and some more here. This place is absolutely enormous. I don't know that I'm gonna have time to get through the whole thing, but just wanted to show y'all what it looks like. Hopefully to come back here and ghost hunt one night. It's a few hours from my house. We're just passing, coming back from Nashville, so just wanted to see it. And this place is absolutely amazing and creepy as it gets. Is there anybody down here? Somebody make a sound. Okay, too much contamination. Outside here, shot the tower there. Some more towers.